Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage virtual events with Eventbrite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your virtual events with Eventbrite, start by creating an account on their website. Once registered, log into your Eventbrite account. Click on the Create Event button located on your dashboard. Select the Virtual Event option when prompted to choose the type of event. Fill in the basic details of your event, including the title, date, and time. Set up your event description to provide attendees with essential information. Add an event image that captures the essence of your virtual gathering. Next, choose the ticket types for your event, including free or paid options. Specify the ticket quantity and any additional settings for each ticket type. Scroll down to the Event Formats section to choose your virtual event platform. You can integrate platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams for seamless participation. After setting up the format, review the additional options for your audience. This includes enabling registration questions, adding a cover image, and choosing privacy settings. It's important to set up your event date and time accurately. Then, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Promote your event by sharing the link across your social media channels. Monitor ticket sales and attendee registration through your Eventbrite dashboard. As the event day approaches, send reminder emails to registered attendees. On the day of the event, ensure you're logged into your chosen virtual platform early. Engage your audience throughout the session using interactive features. After the event, consider sending a follow-up email thanking participants. Gather feedback to improve future virtual events and enhance your offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.